Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and integrate Google Calendar on your Slack workstation or workspace. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, make sure that you have already logged in into your Slack account. And once you've done that on your workspace right over here, all you need to do is on the bottom left, there's going to be apps button right over here. Simply click on the triple dot icon and then click on manage and then click on browse apps. Once you've done that, all you need to do is go down and then there's going to be Google Calendar. Simply click on install right over here. So it's going to take you to another page where you want to simply go ahead and download and install it right over here. Now simply click on add to Slack and then simply click on install Google Calendar, and there you go. Simply go ahead and choose your account as well and then click on continue. Click on select all, click on continue one more time. There you go. It's going to simply go ahead and have you in there. So once you've done that, it's going to be installed in here and then you can start using it. As simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.